Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 3x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have number 3 dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. Dx we change by du over number 3. Now we have the formula in here. 2 sine A cosine A equals to sine 2A. So to transform about this one, we need to put about 2 to the power of 4 over 2 to the power of 4. Because I want to combine number 2 with sine u and cosine u inside the power number 4 in here. So 2 to the power of 4 with number 3. So you got about 1 over 48. So this one we can write into 2 sine u cosine u to the power of number 4. And this one we have sine 2u. So this one I can write into sine 2u square. Everything to the power of 2. So we have the formula in here. Sine a square equals to 1 minus cosine 2a over number 2. Now 2u represent about capital A. So if we transform this one into this one, we will have about 1 minus cosine 4u. And we have number 4 in here. Because number 2 with the power 2, you got about number 4. So 48 with number 4 in here. We have about 1 over 192. And now we need to expand this one. Now we have the second formula in here. Cosine a square equals to cosine 2a plus 1 over number 2. So we apply this formula for this one. So we have about cosine 8u plus 1 over number 2. So this one we have 1 over 2 cosine 8u plus 1 over 2. So number 1 plus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 3 over 2, we have 3 over 2u. The integration of cosine 4u, we have 1 over 4 sine 4u. The integration of cosine 8u, we have 1 over 8 sine 8u. And we put about c. So number 2 divided by number 4, we have 1 over 2 sine 4u. 1 over 2, 1 over 8, we have 1 over 16 sine 8u. About u, that is about this one. So this one we have 9s over number 2. Number 4 with number 3 we have 12u. 8 with number 3 we have 24u. This is s, not u, sorry. This is 12s and 24s. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.